Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow competitive speaking. Now, the thumbnail may be pretty controversial. I know a lot may disagree. You may leave a thumbs down before you even hear me out. But I'm going to explain, or show you rather, on the charts. Something just happened on this recent daily close less than a few hours ago that suggests that the bull market, yes, it's over. Napoleon Macro is suggesting that the bull market is over. Let's get into the details. Welcome back, loyal family. Please hear me out. If you're new here, I realize, you have no idea who I am, and you may think that I'm just blowing smoke and causing, shill or FUD or whatever, okay? Hear me out to the end. Let's not waste time. I'm going to show you the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average and the relationship on the daily candles, which has never taken place in the history of a bull market. That just took place. I'm going to show you that here in the chart. So let's dive into it, shall we? All right. So today's May the 19th, 2021, and the current price of BTC is going to be $35,763, fluctuating there. And it's down approximately 3% for the day. If it kind of lightens things up a bit, I am looking for a vicious bounce in this market. Okay, and vicious meaning a 100% move to the upside. So we'll get into those details. Let's go ahead and reveal what I have here on the chart. So here's the small little circles, bull run, indicating the bull run, and the 50 exponential moving average and the 200 exponential moving average. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you all the beginning and the end of the bull market. So right now, what I'm going to do is go back in time. We're comparing this to one reference point, which is not always legitimate, right? When you're only using one reference point. Now, if we look back in the good old days, back when BTC was near the $259 level, back in October the 16th, 2015, what I'm doing is, if you kind of follow along with me here, the only thing that I am measuring is daily candles close above the 50 moving average, the green line here, and the red 200 exponential moving average. Now, as we go along and scroll to the right, the only thing that we're paying attention to is when a daily candle closes below the 200 exponential moving average, the red line, okay? So here's the initiation of the bull run right here. Again, we already pointed out this circle. Now let's just kind of scroll to the right and notice how there's never been a daily candle to close when the bull run started right here, okay, right there, October the 5th, 16th, 2015, when the bull run started. There's never been a daily candle to close below throughout the bull market. If you notice here, just multiple wicks. The sellers doing everything that they can to push the price down and just failed miserably. Did you see that? And the 200 exponential moving average. Never anything. We got touch points, but never close. Look at, you see here, very close. The buyers kept the sellers in full check, like back up the price, man. What do you think you're doing? Near the $539 level, complete control, closing above the 200 exponential. So pay attention to that. Notice that they did not close below the 200 exponential moving average. Still in the bull market, beautiful, thrusting and easing to the upside. All right, all this price activity, and another touch point here. Beautiful execution by the buyers, protecting that 200 exponential moving average. Never a close. We're still in the bull market right now. We're near the $931 level, and the date is March 25th, 2017. Okay, as we continue to in the bull market, I think you guys get it, but I just want to show you that the signal that signals that's the end of the bull market is when the market closes a daily candle below the 200 exponential moving average, which is right here. Bull run over, exclamation, exclamation. This is right here represented on the date of, February the 4th, 2018. We got a daily candle to close below. We didn't get just one daily candle to close below. We closed a daily below the 200 exponential moving average. We closed a full candle's body, a full daily candle's body below the 200 exponential moving average, and then we got the reversal. So essentially, I'm going to assume that what has taken place in the past could potentially take place again, and it will be a 73-hour process. As we scroll over to present day, you'll see what I'm talking about in terms of where we are present day. Let's see how much of a decline it did, but when it closed below the 200 exponential moving average. So you're talking about a 33% move to the downside. Again, this is the only thing we're looking for is a daily candle to close below this red line, 200 exponential moving average. Let's go ahead and scroll on over to the right and see where we are present day. Let's go ahead and well, first thing is we have to find the initiation of the bull run. And the rate that we find the initiation of the bull run is we measure the candle close above the 200 and the 50 exponential moving average, which can be identified right here. Okay, this is the beginning of this recent bull run, which is represented right here at April the 29th, 2020. Okay, that's all I'm measuring, guys. And as we notice that the daily candles close above the 200 red line and the 50 exponential green line, the only thing that we're paying attention to now is the same thing. We need to see the candles close above the 200 exponential moving average. Now, what we're looking for is when we get a close below the 200 exponential moving average, that would be an indication that more likely than not, the bull run is over. Okay, notice this is beautiful. Look at this. It didn't even come close to the 200 exponential moving average until present day. Yeah, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, the market has closed a daily candle below the 200 exponential moving average. Now, I think that the market will potentially take place and maybe do the same thing that it did in the past. First of all, let's see how much of a decline that has happened below the 200 exponential moving average. Remember, we measured 33%. This is all live, actually. I haven't even done this yet. So we've only gone down like 28%. So if history repeats and it somewhat plays out exactly or similar to what has taken place in the past, we'll see a 33% move to the downside. And that's going to be all the way down here at approximately $27,000. Now, again, it's not guaranteed it's actually going to play out the same way. But what I am looking for is I need to catch this bounce. It's likely that the market, let's go back in the day. Let's see if I could show you guys very quickly what happened when the actual bull run was over. Excuse me. So this area here, notice when we just measured like 3 days and it went down, signaling this green candle right here on February the 6th, 2018. From this low, the wick down here, all the way up to the highest level, which I think it got as high as almost $12,000. Guys, that was a 98% bounce to the upside. Okay, let's just go ahead and measure that. Yeah, it's like 98% move to the upside. This is a move that I am anticipating to play out in the market. Okay, I'm going to probably retire off this move if I can time it right. Okay, so what I want to do is let everyone know that, yes, I do think the bull market is over, unfortunately. Okay, I mean, listen, guys, don't shoot the messenger. Okay, I'm just going by the technicals. I'm looking for a vicious bounce. Let's just say, hypothetically speaking, that this is the official move to the downside, and we're now going to experience the 100% move to the upside on this May the 19th, 2021 candle. Let's just say we do get the 100% move to the upside. Okay, let me see if we can go ahead and measure that on up. So down from 30,000, that would bring the price all the way like $60,000. Right, we don't even really have to measure that. $60,000, 98% up is like 59,000. Okay, that is still considered a lower high. Market must make a higher high to continue the overall bull market. Okay, which is higher than 63,000. 63,000, and let's just call it like $64,000. I realize we've already gone over this on our previous video, but I really just want to stop in and show you guys why I'm saying that the bull market is potentially over. Okay, and we could be up against a vicious bounce. Okay, but understand that if the market moves up, we are looking for one level. $64,000. It must obliterate that level in order to continue this overall uptrend. BTC is, believe it or not, technically still perfectly confined within a bull market. But please understand what we are looking for if the vicious bounce happens. Okay? Capiche? So that's all I want to show you guys. Unfortunately, yeah. It's not an ideal setup, guys. No way. No. So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Look for the vicious bounce, potentially up to $60,000, assuming that this is the lowest level that the market is going to get within the next 72 hours. We're already 24 hours in the 72-hour time frame that it took the last time in the history to complete the move down when it broke below the 200 exponential moving average, have the reversal, and then make the 100% bounce to the upside. We'll keep you guys up to date, okay? So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video along with the channel and get this video out there to many unusual individuals like myself, okay? And also, if you're new, before you go there, I'd like to offer you more information pertaining to the traditional stocks. I'm not sure if you're into that, but we cover that 7 days a week, and we'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. So hit the subscribe button, and of course, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it's available. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for your time and stopping out and spending your time with us today. I truly appreciate that. So be sure to execute your strategies out there, okay? Take care of yourselves. We're going to talk soon, and bye for now.